Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to learn how to copy in Autodesk Inventor. Okay, firstly click on Start 2D Sketch and select a plane. Okay, let's draw a circle and go to Copy command. Here you can see first option is Select the object and pick a point and click where you want to copy the sketch. Okay, next one, uh, Control plus C clipboard. Okay, select and select the circle. If you want this circle or this sketch to copy on other drawing, then click this point and pick a point and go to other drawing and start to the sketch and a plane and Control V. So you can see our circle is exactly same on other drawing. Okay, next is precise input. Click on it. Now select a circle and pick a point and asking the precise input window, asking for the input X. Let's take it 100 and Y 50. So you can see our circle is X direction is 100 and Y direction is 50 millimeter. Okay, so this is our copy command. Hopefully you like and understand the whole command. Then please share and subscribe my channel.